Hey everyone, it's Joe Wicks, the body coach. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of planking. Planking is a full body workout that targets your core like no other. Get ready to unlock your inner strength as we explore the amazing world of planking. Planking engages your deep abdominal muscles by contracting your abs and pulling your belly button toward your spine. These movements strengthen the often neglected deep core muscles. Your entire core, including obliques and back muscles, benefits too. Your core is the foundation of your body, including obliques, spinal stabilizers, shoulder, back, and hip muscles. Planking requires all these muscles to work together, leading to improved coordination and balance. This enhanced core strength translates into better performance in daily activities and workouts. A strong core makes everything easier and reduces your risk of injury. Planking is an isometric exercise, meaning your muscles contract without movement. This type of strength training improves muscle endurance and helps your brain recruit more muscle fibers. Planks are excellent for increasing strength and endurance in your shoulders, arms, quads, hips, and glutes. Planking builds the coordination needed for various activities. By improving balance and stability, planks enhance your overall athletic performance. Whether you're into running, cycling, or team sports, a strong core will give you that extra edge. The shoulder joint has the greatest range of motion, but is also the most vulnerable. Strengthening the stabilizing muscles through planking helps protect against injuries and dislocations. It also improves shoulder activation during other exercises, reducing the risk of strain or damage. A strong core is the key to maintaining proper posture while sitting, standing, and moving. The correct plank form mirrors an ideal standing posture, helping train muscles and joints to keep the spine aligned. Better posture means less pain and better movement. Planking contributes to an increased calorie burn, especially when performed regularly. Engaging all major muscle groups while planking enhances metabolic efficiency. Incorporating dynamic variations can further accelerate fat loss and muscle activation. Planks help in tightening and toning the midsection. Many who take on plank challenges see noticeable improvements in their waistline. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness tips. Just a few minutes of planking each day can make a world of difference. So, what are you waiting for? Get down and plank your way to a healthier, happier you.